going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are putting the third and final piece of the floor into the 17-foot Mako. Just getting everything mocked up real quick. This is the old hatch from the original floor. I just marked it here. I'm gonna get this cut out, and then we're gonna take all this old glass and coring out of this and put some new glass and get it all strong again. Got our 1708 laid, reinforcing it all. We're gonna let it cure out in the sun and then get it cleaned up. Alright, so it's not fully cured yet, but it's on its way of being cured. I got the hole cut out and channeled, so now got lined up here with this line. That's going to be pretty flush when I start laying some glass on it, as you can see. So let's get a thick batch of epoxy mixed up and get this thing glued in. Start filling up these edges and voids. So the epoxy's nice and cured. Nice. In there. Gonna flip it over and glass the back side of it. Reinforce it that way. Alright, so I got the holes lined up where I need to be. The bracket's gonna slide into the next part of the floor. Once it's in, I'm gonna take this back out, glass this whole top piece real quick, and then drill out the holes again and get this mounted in the boat. All right, so now that this is cured and reinforced on both sides, I already got the holes drilled out. I just got to re-drill them out through this epoxy and fiberglass. These are the brackets that are going to go on the bottom side of the floor to support the lean post so it doesn't get torn out or crack or do anything later on in the future. So we got the third piece in. It's not glued in. I just wanted to line up the holes, make sure everything was good. We're gonna pull this back out, lay some thickened epoxy down the stringers and everything, and get it glued into place, and then start tabbing it into the sides. A thick batch of epoxy mixed up. Gonna get it laid on the stringers and the foam and get this glued in. So we got the third and final piece of the flooring laid and glued in. We got these big old water jugs filled with water and cinder blocks, keeping pressure down on the floor while it gets cured. Gonna come back in about 3-4 hours and start laying some glass in. Well guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Last night I went ahead and just glassed it in off camera because I was fighting with the weather, but man, did it come out good. Got it nicely glassed in. There's about 3-4 layers of 1708 on the top side and 2 layers of 1708 on the bottom, mixed with epoxy. So this thing is rock solid and it ain't going nowhere. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was pretty cool reusing this hatch and putting those brackets for the lean post in. So hope you guys thought the same. That being said, till next time, peace.